Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of May 19th through the 26th in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner using this adorable Slumber kit by ReddHeadStickers. If you are new here and you've never seen any of my videos before, then hello, welcome. Once again, my name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners mainly to craft hauls, happy mail, lots of different other kinds of media. If you want to check out any of the different videos that I have mentioned, you can see the description box below. There are various playlists related to each category of planning, crafting, and all different kinds of art media for you to browse through. Also in the description box below is going to be my ReddHeadStickers information. I'm actually on her PR team, so if you want to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan and it will save you 15% off of your order. So like I said, this is the ReddHeadStickers kit. This is what it looks like. This kit is actually retired from her shop. This was a kit that I got a while ago, and it's actually a double because I have some oops items in this kit as well. So that is why you're seeing a similar, page, and it actually works out great because there's going to be 2 Sundays in this spread, so I think it's perfect. Alright, so that is the kit. Let's go ahead and jump into this week. So because there are multiple different pages, I think I'm just going to try and use one of the full sheets and save the other one for maybe another spread. I'm just going to cut the washi tape that comes in the kit in half, and this is fit for a Happy Planner Classic, so it does fit a little bit extra on the page, so I have to cut that off. And then I will save the rest of the washi for a different page. So then I'm going to just take all of the different stickers and layer them to kind of see how I like them. I wanted to put the Sleepy Girl on Monday because I'm always sleepy on Mondays, and I thought it was just perfect. So I'm going to start by just layering the deco pieces and the washi to cover up the stuff at the bottom, and then I'll go back in and add more deco. You'll see throughout this me planning this that I do add deco here and there around the spread and fixing things up. I do white out the days because they're a little bit bigger than the days that come in this kit. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I really love how calming this kit is, and it's perfect for me because I just found out that I have arthritis in my shoulder, so I am super stressed. Like, that's something that I did not expect. I expected it to be like, oh, there's going to be something wrong with you, we've got to fix it, and then that's it. Nope, that's not what happened, unfortunately, and now I am going to be living with this my entire life, and it's really stressful for me. So I am just trying to go with what is going to be easiest for me and most, mentally stable for my plans. I need to have something that's calming when I am writing down all of my health things here, because that's what the spread is for, this planner, these daily pages. It's for my it's for tracking my meals, and I can't keep being stressed out. So I'm trying my best to not freak out about this. And I know it's not a big deal because there's tons of people who have arthritis, and but like, it's just something that I just didn't expect and kind of took me by surprise. So I'm extremely overwhelmed, and I'm just trying to find kits this month that are going to relax me and keep me in a good mindset and like keep me in a happy thought. I hope that makes sense. Words are really hard for me today because I'm just, like I said, I'm filming this on the day that I found out that I have arthritis, because not only do I want to just get my thoughts out and just distract myself, planning actually is very therapeutic for me, so I'm wanting to just get all of this done. So that's why I am just talking, and words are hard. I'm trying very hard to concentrate, but I hope you guys like me planning in these spreads. If you do, definitely let me know. I have so much fun using these pages. now that we have pretty much added all of the deco for the week, I'm going to go back through and add the boxes and little bits and pieces of the little icons and things, just to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm going to add some more of the little glitter headers to the spread to make it, you know, more full and more, I don't know, lively. And I'm going to make sure that I have at least 2 boxes. I think I'm going to end up doing 3 boxes per day. One is for my calorie count at the end of the day, one is for my step count, and then one is for my protein intake, because now I have to start tracking my protein because my doctor wants me to have a certain amount of protein a day, so I have to track that and let her know how it's going. So that is what that box is for. Usually I only have 2 boxes per day, but now I've got to have that one. And then on Sunday, I have my goals for the week. And then on the next Sunday, I have my goals for the next week, like things that I want to make sure I remember, or like an important appointments and things like that. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner using the Slumber Kit by ReddHeadStickers. Like I mentioned, you can use my code Megan and save 15% off of your order off of ReddHeadStickers' website. I really love this. I think it turned out really cute. I'm very pleased with how calming the spread looks, and I'm really happy with just how much this kit can be used. Like, as you see, I only used the kit itself. I didn't use the extra pages, and I did do the oops pages, which is why some of them are cut off, but I don't really care. It's my health and wellness planner, so it's like not a big deal. But I absolutely love this spread. I think it's just so fun and so cute. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, so you are notified when I post new videos by hitting that notification bell. If you want to see more of my playlist, you can check out the Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness playlist in the description box or at the end of this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!